So I was working on one of these Dell small form factor machines. So first of all you want to pull out all the cables out the back. That display port connector's got a lock on it. So that is it. It's actually locked inside there as well, but it's locked on here as well. So you undo the lock and then it lifts up and that's separated from that. And if you look on the bottom, there's another locking tab there. Pull it to one side and it should just slide out. It goes one way anyway. What is that? So I'm just going to open the back up. It's got a little screw in. Should slide back that. Just use the screwdriver just to prise it back a little bit. Well, that's it. So I'm just going to unloosen this front cover a bit. I don't take this all the way off, I don't. Just leave it loose a bit like that. Pull out these two back wires for your DVD drive. And this bit should just pull free then. So there's your hard drive. As you can see, you get in there now. So there's your fan. There's your RAM. Obviously we took your hard drive out already. PCI Express card, slot mini. It's like your power supply there. I'm not going to take that out though. I'm not going to disturb any of this, it's all working fine. That's how you get into them anyway. And you got the basics. Get to the CPU and the RAM and the hard drive. And that's all you really need to do if you're upgrading.